Chloe bought 5N pens. She packed 8 pens into one box. After giving away 3 boxes, how many boxes of pens had she left? Give your answer in terms of n. Okay, so for this one, we have to draw a model as well. So we know that she had 5 N pens, and then she packed 8 pens into one box and she gave away 3. Now, so this means that we have to draw 3 bars, okay. And then each of them is 8 pens. After giving away 3 boxes, we know that she probably has a few more pens left. Okay, so this will be what is left. But the question is not asking for how many pens she has left. The question is actually asking for how many boxes. So it is actually number of pens left divided by 8 to find out number of boxes, right? And the total is 5n. Alright, the very first step you have to do is to find out how many pens she has left. So over here, let's find out the total number of pens. So total pens given away. So remember, write a sentence and then write the arrow, will be 3 times 8 equals 24. And number of pens left, so number of pens left will be 5n minus 24. Okay, so this will be this. This is 5n minus 24 pens. And in order to find out the number of boxes of pens she had left, you have to take the number of pens that is left divided by 8. So number of boxes of pens left will be 5n over 24 over 8. And since you can't simplify this any further, this will be the final answer. Alright, done.